All right, welcome back to the BFD channel. Today we're at a local park. This place is called the Hempstead Lake Park, I guess. And it's right along the parkway, the Southern State Parkway. But today we're just gonna do a short ride and let Tantan get a little bit of exercise. The weather, it's still a little bit cold, but right now it's about 41 degrees. This is what I was talking about. You see this helmet? It's nice, but this part, it blocks too much of my view, so I can only see basically right in front of me. So I got to get a different helmet for the summer.
Oh.
Let's go. All right, we're out for a small little ride today, and I just wanted to do a quick update on the bikes. On the berry color bike here, I just replaced the rear wheel. For a couple of years, I've been using the Brompton Plus rear wheel, 2-speed rear wheel, and about 6 months ago, the cog hub actually stripped, and it was spinning on the hub itself. And about 3 months ago, I ordered a new hub body and replaced it, but unfortunately that broke off as well, and it's the exact same problem. So whatever problem I'm having with that wheel set, it just came back. I went onto the Brompton website and found the 2-speed rear wheel on sale, so that only costs $100. So I replaced it and it's back to OEM. It's a lot more quiet now, but hopefully I won't have any more problems. So this entire back wheel, it's brand new. I have the 2-speed sprocket set. I put brand new ones on here, brand new chain. Basically this bike, it's been riding good now, so hopefully we won't have that problem anymore. This one is electric kit by Swytch, so I'm not too worried about weight anymore. So the Brompton stock wheel is probably the way to go, since it's made by Brompton. All right.
Yeah. So. Hi.
Hi.
Count that. How old are you now?
6.
All right. He just turned 6, so I'll wish him happy birthday, and we'll see you guys next time. All right.
Today is March 25th, 2025. Weather is 48. Temperature is supposed to be high in 50s, so I decided to go out to the city and ride around, hopefully finding new street arts. Pretty chilly. I should have brought the gloves. Wow, wow, oh no, oh my god. It's nice and quiet. I'm going slow, so I will be safe. What's this building? Oh, it smells.
Nice bike.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you too. Okay, I found the Brompton rider. Okay, I'm on Greenway, and here you can see Hudson River. Greenway is safe, but it's kinda boring. Here, so tall. The tower is here, and this white cube thing is Performing Arts Center, and Oculus, and I see the art over there. A lot of animals on octopus. Okay. The Arms of Friendship by artist Julie and Mark. The rabbit looks like the one I saw near the Times Square. So it must be done by same artist. Okay, everybody taking pictures. Oh, let's check inside Oculus. It's a basement. They have a lot of stores in basement. Now I'm done with checking out those art in World Trade Center. So let's go check different place. Where should I go? I found the flower blossoming already. Ah, kawaii. The bird is resting on cherry tree. Cute. Signs of spring. Oh, nice sun. Sun is nice. This is what I wanted today. Sunlight. I took Park Avenue to 34th Street and I see interesting artwork, so let's go check it. Oh no! Travel to New York. French sculptor Bruno Catalano. The artwork is called Travelers. Those travelers sculptures, that was interesting. I'm in Times Square. I thought there was nice art here, but I don't see it. Naked cowboy.
Six. Fight night.
I found a pigeon. I think a pigeon should be the official city bird. Oops, no bicycles. I have to go pick up Tantan soon, so I'm heading to the Grand Central. Okay, bye.
I'm at the local mall. I figured I would do a quick update on the bike that I take to work, which is the Bike Friday everyday model. I've been using this bike to ride to and from work, even through the winter. So I thought I would just do a quick overview or a quick review on it so you guys can get a better idea if you like it or not. So we'll just do it by the mall since I'm here. All right, so it's still like 35 degrees, so it's still cold out. So I got my face mask on, and I also upgraded my lenses to these transition lenses and progressive lenses. So, you know, when the sun's out, they get dark, so there's nothing I can do about it. All right, so that's why my glasses look a little different. They're the same frames though. So the bike, let's talk about the bike real quick. All right, we're gonna start from the front to the back. If you look at the handlebars, the display that goes on the Swytch, this is a new display. The old display, the analog version, the free one that you get, it broke. It just stopped working. So the Swytch kit was under warranty, so I was able to upgrade to the LCD display. And what's nice about the LCD display is the bike can go 19 miles per hour now. It does hit 20, but on average it stays at 19 miles per hour. Before, with the old display, it would only hit 17, and usually it just ran at 16 miles per hour. And on this side, I have my stem captain clock, and you can see I waterproofed these temporarily because we're heading into the rainy season. And this actually broke as well after 3 months. It stopped working. I opened it and it was all rusted out. So I contacted the company and they sent me out a new one. So for now I'm keeping it covered because I don't want to have to replace it again, because I do like being able to look down and seeing the time as well. Going down to the tires, the front tires, in the past 3 months I've only gotten one flat in the back, and I ran over a staple, like an office staple somewhere, and I got a flat. So I was able to change those out nice and easy and haven't had any problems since. What's really nice about these tires compared to like the Brompton tires is that they hold air. On the Bromptons I have to inflate them once a week because they go down about 10 psi. These, they stay full and strong for weeks. So I only check the air pressure on them maybe once a month or 2 months really, because you know, since they're a lot meatier, they handle bumps better and they hold air better as well. Now, I am using the slime tubes in them, so I think that helps keep the air pressure in with the slime, keep rotating and, you know, clogging up them air holes. All right, so this kickstand, I don't like this kickstand. It keeps falling down. I have to strap it up to keep it up when I'm riding. If I don't, it ends up, you know, leaning about halfway down. I've tried tightening it, retightening it, and it just doesn't work well. So if any of you know a good brand of bike stand that I can replace this with, let me know, because I would like to replace that, because having a kickstand on this type of bike is pretty nice and necessary. Oh, on this bike also, I use the throttle to activate the power. I got lazy and I rarely use the pedal now that I have the throttle because it's just easier. But the only problem with using the throttle is the battery life. And when you're running the throttle, the battery life is horrible. The battery depletes to like 0 bars within like a few miles. And then once the battery depletes to a few miles, the system actually shuts down and the motor stops working. And then you have to wait a few minutes and then it'll kick on again, and then kick on, off, on, off, on, off. So if you're using it for like, you know, short rides, like a mile or two, it's okay. But if you're gonna go longer than that, you should pedal as the Swytch kit is intended to. All right, so that is one thing I noticed. I don't know how good the battery is on this bike because it's a much heavier bike, but I don't feel comfortable trusting the battery life more than 10 miles, even though it's rated to go to 20 miles. And that's just from my experience, and I did use it in the winter, so the battery life is going to be affected by the cold. All right, and in the back, like right now I have a tool, a grinder in the pocket there, and on this side I have some grinding discs that I just bought. So I'm using these bags as it's intended to be used, and I have some bike tools in there and my water bottle in here. Now I'm only showing you this because as good as the pockets are, the bike pockets, these pockets they're very dangerous when you have light items in them. So I used to keep bottles in here, sunscreen, like water bottles, and my bike tube. And over time, they've all flew out of the bike. So I'm missing bike tubes and bottles everywhere. So things that don't weigh a lot of, you know, weight, they seem to bounce out whenever I hit big potholes. So I don't trust those pockets, and I would like to see these pockets here either have some kind of Velcro strip on them to keep things in, you know, or a zipper. But I think Velcro would be nice if it was just Velcroed in. The bigger pockets, you know, like this thing, this is pretty heavy, so I don't think that's gonna fall out. All right, and last, I had to cut the bar just so Tantan can get in and out easier, because he was having trouble getting in and out underneath the bars itself. And I think that's about it. All right, so this is a quick overview, but if you want to see more videos about the Bike Friday, you know, let me know. I plan on using this bike more in the summer as the weather gets nice and Tantan can get on the back. All right, so I'll see you guys later.